Hey everyone, it's Bill the RV guy here with you again at Leo's Vacation Center. Got something a little different for you today. Going to show you the Riverside Retro. Pretty cool models, excellent retro look on the outside and the inside. Come with me, I've got 3 of them to show you. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. That has been a quick intro of the Riverside Retro models. We've got 3 of them in stock. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of me, Bill the RV guy, at bill@leosrv.com for email, or give me a call at 800-559-4793.